Hey y'all, I'm Andrew Gardner, on-camera acting teacher with the Acting Studio, and I'm here to share a couple of tips on creating your own content. First of all, start with an idea that you're super excited about. Filmmaking is really hard. It's a lot of moving parts and it takes a lot of time to go from idea to completion. So make sure that you're really excited about it and you got a lot of things to say so that way you stay inspired and continue to completion. Also, surround yourself with a very solid team. Now that could be friends, it can be people who are fresh out of college or people that you bring on that you just admire their work, but really make sure that you get a team of people who are just excited about whatever they're doing as you are about acting or writing or whatever part you decide to play. Lastly, don't be afraid to fail. A lot of people are afraid of failure, and failure brings with it a lot of lessons. Now here's the thing, if you are not okay or if you don't get back up from your failure, that's when it's not a good thing. But if you can get back up and learn from it, fail away. Because I guarantee you, if you learn from it and grow from it, whatever comes next is going to be that much better.